What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker. If you were watching the video the other day, I found this square billed crankbait down by the local pond. It's got some pretty nasty rust on it. It was sitting right there by the path. I'm gonna go ahead and put some new hardware on it and clean it up and see if I can make this thing look a little bit better, and then we'll try to catch a fish on it. So first thing I'm gonna do is snap off the little tag of line, the mono that's there, and stick it over the faucet, and first start out with some soap and water, and then some lubricant, and then pull these nasty pieces of rust off of here. All right, step one, got rid of the tag line. Let's go ahead and scrub it now. So a little soap and water goes a long way. Already looks a whole lot better. You can actually see through the lip there a little bit now. Maybe took off a little bit of the rust too. Huh. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more work on this job. There's your front tie point split ring. It's got an oblong one. I'm gonna toss a standard round one on there. Just get rid of some of the rust on it. So there is the old hardware. There it is stripped down. Probably gonna do a shot of lubricant on it now before I get on to all the new stuff. So there's the old hardware, couple hooks, split rings, kind of nasty. Use a little of this knockoff Walmart WD-40, rubbed it in to kind of clean it up a little bit. Going the right direction, I think. So, yeah. Just throw a couple hooks and split rings on there, and it'll be good to go.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.